What did I say? Hey? 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 Get your butt in. Maxwell, you're not listening. What are you doing? Huh? Get your butt in your room. For now. Hey? I said get in your room. That's what I said. You heard what I said. You heard what I said, little boy. What are you doing? Let's go, in your room. Come on. Well, let's go. In here. You come here. Come on. Come here. You're not listening. I'm telling you to come here. You don't tell me to come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Did you hear what I said? What did I say? I said bird. I said bird, get in your room. Bird. Is your name Bird? Hello. Well, I said get your butt. Why? 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 Why must you be like this in the morning? You're not listening today. Hey, where are you going? I think I was talking to you. Do you know that? You're not listening. Are you? Alright. I'm gonna go to work. Was I talking to you? Huh? Come on. Come here. Come on. Up. Up. Hello. 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 You got a dirty beak? Dirty beak. That was a poopy butt. Good thing I didn't have the camera down there further. Well, everybody would have seen a poopy butt. Right? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Huh? I know, that's what Angel's doing, huh? What's the kitty do? What's she do? She goes, meow. Hey, you. Okay, you're done. Hi, Angel. Bye.